Hi!
Hold the line. Mommy,
Lain na siya.
Mommy.
Video ni.
Hi. Hello. We're here at the
Bayok Tower. Sky Tower. Oh.
Isn't this a lovely place?
This is my friend Jay.
Hi.
And this is Joey.
You record?
Yeah.
Steam Airport link.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's pretty. So now you tell me, is it worth?
Yes. It is.
Beautiful place. But then you remember you have to go down. And then you're reminded of what you like.
Look at the city, Lalab.
Siam Paragon is there.
Platinum. That's where we were.
Really?
That's where we were, Rhea. I'm sorry.
Can you walk there?
Yeah. I think so, but we took the tuk.
And can you walk from Emporium?
No. And there's Pankip there.
Where?
There. With the arch shape door.
Oh, there, I see. Looks so
IT City.
small and insignificant.
Lahat ng platinum. Ah.
There should be the Philippines.
Where's the Philippines? Where's Manchester?
Very far from
Becca!
Becca. It's 6,000 miles.
Becca!
No! Oh, I just wanted to see what's behind that.
Okay.
You zoom in. You should zoom out and see the glory.
I'm not. This is normal.
And you know,
Is that a hotel right there?
It would never be hot if I build a house up here.
Where?
Up here. The temperature is lower once you get higher, right? And also you're not dealing with all the smog and all the heat island that the building creates when it collects radiation from the sun. Or rather the heat from the sun. I think over there. The lights on, you see the billboard? You see the purple tower? Across the street. Purple tower.
Where's Purple Town?
Oh, it's pink now. You see the